So last time during Shop Art, this whole place was transformed. For the last program, we had like 2,000 people. You know, all over the place, as you can see. I mean, all this was painted and all. Everywhere people were standing and people were just like dancing, you know, like villagers, foreigners, city people, art lovers, you know. Can you imagine like an art project in a village drawing in that kind of people?
ये जो हमारा गांव है इसका नाम गुनेड़ है। इसमें कम से कम 16-1700 लोग रहते हैं और इसमें ज़्यादातर जो लोग होते हैं वो गद्दी होते हैं, गुज्जर हैं और बड़ा बंगाल टाइप के आते हैं। उनका जो व्यवसाय है कृषि पर डिपेंड है ज़्यादातर सारे। और ये जो सड़क है, जो गाड़ियों की रोड है, वो इसमें यहाँ तक ही होता है, इसके आगे वो बंद हो जाता है। और इसके आगे लोगों ने जाना हो तो जो भेड़ बकरी वाले होते हैं पैदल ही जाते हैं आगे।
So what I find really interesting is that 13 people came from all over the world and they went through a very long investigative process, and these are some of the findings that culminated from that 1 month.
Yeah. I mean these things were scattered all over the village in different shops and spaces, and now they're in one place. But this could be the beginning of the new journey for the next Shop Art. You know?
Yeah.
But the main thing is to have like this kind of modern contemporary things that people would never imagine would be in a village. You do have to choose the artists carefully, you have to choose the to kind of work conceptually with them like we what we'll be doing. And the fascinating thing about this is bringing these two things together, contemporary urban artists in a rural space, and immediately you just like take care of all those distinctions that are there between rural, urban, modern, traditional.
And they also feed off each other.
They feed off each other and everybody accepts it without any problem. We have to look at it differently this time. So what's your opinion to that, you know?
Yeah, I think we're beaming out to the world, so we need to select our projects differently and use this project as a case study to perpetuate a more universal conversation.
Yeah, exactly.
I think it's interesting that the projects remain unfinished here and probably go to a different place and, you know, evolve over there. You know, probably like our tuk-tuk cinema, 1 rupee cinema, which will be going to Bollywood. Or the fashion designer who will be working here, who could take the fashion show somewhere else, and it could have more components, it could evolve into something else. So the internet platform that you're talking about will be restricted to artists here, or how is that going to work?
The internet platform needs to be totally open to anybody who can't come here physically, you know, and wants to be part of the whole process. What's different about Shop Art this time compared to 2013 is that the first Shop Art was about artists coming into the village, you know, with their arts. This time, the whole concept is to take the village through the arts outside to the world.
गांव गुनेड़ में 2013 में एक कल्चर प्रोग्राम हुआ था। आर्टिस्ट वगैरह आए थे यहाँ पे और उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया। जैसे किसी ने पेंटिंग की, किसी ने टेबल वगैरह बनाया जैसे रद्दी से कागज़ों के, वो भी अच्छा बना। और हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पे वो दोबारा प्रोग्राम हो।
अगर एक बार दोबारा आए ना तो और मज़ा आएगा।
कृपया आप फिर से आइए, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा।
I came all the way from London this year to be a part of Shop Art because I genuinely feel that the idea is way ahead of its time.
I came here because India as a modern country needs innovative ideas like these.
I moved to this village and started Shop Art Art Shop because I believe in today's world to be part of a village is to be part of the world.